Hello everyone, Selena Sensei here again, and in today's vlog we're going to do a kanji practice test, and that is you're going to choose the right kanji for the underlined word in hiragana. So that is the instruction. Okay, with no further ado, let's do it. Hai. 1番、先生の説明がよくわかりませんでした。Okay. 先生の説明 the teacher's explanation が so this is the subject, okay? よくわかりませんでした I didn't understand it well よくわかりませんでした which is the right kanji for 説明 which means explanation. Okay, so look at this. Did you get it? 2番です。答えは2番です。This is the kanji for setsume. Let's break this down. This is setsu, which means opinion, a theory, or something that one think of. And mei is for akarui. Okay? So akarui, which means bright. So this is explanation. You explain the theory or the conception of something brightly. Okay? Again, I hope you understand that. Okay? Did you get it? So this is not the right one. This is go. Okay? No. Everything is nonsense. Okay. Number 2. あそこに低い山が見えます。So, 山が見えます。This is the subject. 山が見えます。So, 見えます。I can see the mountain. And what kind of mountain? 低い mountain. A low mountain over there. Okay, so 低い. I'll give it time. Alright, the answer is, I hope you got this. 1番. So don't be confused because they look the same here and here. But remember that the kanji for hikui has line under. Oh, under here, okay? Hikui, low. So just remember the kanji and that won't be a problem. Okay. 3番. あの人は Okay, that person. 頭がいいです. So that person is bright. He's wise, smart. Okay, look for atama. Okay, did you get it? 4番ですね. Did you get it? 4番です. これが頭の漢字. Don't be confused with this right radical, okay? It is the same with kao, which means face. Okay? And this is negau. Negau, to wish for something. And this is dai for mondai, which means a question or inquiry or an issue. Okay? I hope that is clear. Did you get it? Can you follow? 4番. Okay. Shokuji no. Shokuji means meal. Okay. 食事の用意ができました. So, the preparation, 用意 means preparation for the meal is was already done. It's ready. Okay. 用意. Okay. 答えは1番です. Okay. Yo for usage. For example, you go to a department store or any store which sells utensils or anything, and you will see on the top, on the label above you, like for example, kitchen yo, utensils or equipments that are used for the kitchen. Okay. kitchen yo, things that are used for the kitchen. When you go to a department store and you go to kids section, kodomo yo, things that are used for children, okay? And I for ishi. Ishi means wheel, okay? So, not this, not this, not this. Okay. 5番。もっと真面目に働きなさい。Please work more seriously, okay? もっと真面目に働きなさい。働きなさい kanji is okay, 1番ですね。働きなさい。働く is the dictionary form which means to work. Okay, 働きなさい。This is 動きなさい。Please move. Okay, this is the kanji for 重い, but there's no such word as this and this. Okay, so but don't be confused with this. For 働きなさい here, the left radical has a person. Okay, I hope that is clear. 6番。部屋が急に The room suddenly 暗くなりました。became dark. So 暗い。ね。暗くなりました。Alright. The kanji for 暗い is 2番です。暗くね。なりました。became dark. This is not the one. This is the kanji for akarui. And yeah, not this one. Okay, just remember the kanji. Okay, 7番. Here we go. 日本の県が40以上あります。So there are 40, over 40, okay, prefectures. Ken is prefecture here in Japan. Okay, what is the kanji for ken? Okay, 1番です。This is the kanji for ken. Look at the inside. There is me, okay? This one looks the same, but here this is nichi or he, which means day. Okay, nichi means day. So it's not he, it's me inside of the kanji of ken, prefecture. これは鳥ですね。Okay, so never mind this and this. Okay. 8番。来年の春に next year's spring 国へ帰ります。I'm going home to my country. Which one is 春? Okay, the answer is 2番です。2番、春。This is 秋、autumn. Oto, which means sound. So it's not season, okay? Ao means blue. Did you get it? 9番。どこでそれを買いましたか？どこで where それを that 買いましたか？ Where did you buy that? 買う is the dictionary form 買う。Past tense is 買いました。Okay, 1番ですね。Okay. This is the kanji for shitsu, means quality, but there's no word such as this. It's a noun, okay? In for a person that will express the kind of work like ginko in, bank, bank clerk, ten in, sales lady or sales clerk. So this is a noun. It's not a verb. Same as with this. Okay? Remember this. Kau. Okay. 10番、地図を見たら when you see, okay, 見たら when you see the map or when I see the map 地図場所がわかりました I knew the place, okay, I know where the place is when I saw the map. So 地図Okay, the kanji is this one, 地図. So this is the kanji for tochi, which means land, and zu for illustration, diagram, or any picture illustration. 11番、寝る前に. Okay, before I go to sleep. 寝る前に before I go to sleep, 薬を飲みます. I drink. Okay, I drink my medicine. This is the object. Okay, object marker. All right, I'm explaining the sentence structure and grammar at the same time. Okay, which one is kusuri? Okay, the answer is this one. This is kusuri. Look at the upper radical. It has kusakamuri. Kusakamuri is used for kanji pertaining to plants like hana, flower, kusa, grass, and any plants. Okay, so don't be confused with the kanji here. This is the kanji for tanoshi, which means fun. Okay, so they have the same, okay, character, but except for the upper part. Tanoshi has no kusakamuri, so don't be confused. All right, so this is not the one, this is not the one, not this one. Just remember the kanji. Kusuri, medicine. Okay, we're now in the last sentence. This is actually 24 items, but let's cut it to 12 items only, and I will upload it sooner. So please watch for the next vlog. Alright. あの赤い服を着た人は誰ですか? Okay. あの赤い服を着た人. Okay. The person wearing that red cloth, who is he or who is she? Okay, rephrase it. Who is that person wearing red fuku, cloth? Did you get it? That is a noun phrase. We are describing this person wearing red cloth or wardrobe or outfit. Okay. Okay. Okay, the kanji for akai or red is this. Okay, this is aoi, shiroi, kuroi. Okay. So far, have you mastered the kanji that I've been uploading? Kanji cards and kanji tests on paper? Yes, I'm sure if you just watch my vlogs, it would be helpful. It might not be enough, but I think this would be of great help. Okay, thank you for watching and for being here with me till the end. And thank you for your warm comments. And for those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and share. And we'll do this more and more. Thank you. See you or see me again.